Hello everyone, this is Engineer Selassie. Today we are going to discuss about Hadoop. This is installation and setup of Hadoop 3.30 in Windows 10. So let's get into it. The general step we are going to do, we are going to download the installation of required software. We need Java and we need Hadoop, and then we will set environment variable in the path for the Java home and the Hadoop home. Then we will configure. In this configuration, we're going to configure 5 files. I will show you. Then lastly, we're going to configure Hadoop itself. Then we will test it. And if the installation is successful, not to shows. So the first step is going to be download Hadoop and JDK 8.261 Java. This is a requirement for the Hadoop. So as you can see, you can go to this website. Okay, I will put the link down below, and you can download the Hadoop. And if you go to your browser, for example, this is the Hadoop. This is Apache Hadoop official website. So we have a lot of versions, 3.35, 3.4, but for us what we need is 3.3.0. So that version you can find it in the where Apache release archive. Here in the archive you can find it there. If you open the previous release, it will take you to this page, and you can directly go here Hadoop 3.30 and you can download from this site. Okay, I'll put the link down below. So this is the first step. After you download it, it will be you just put it in your folder. This is Hadoop 3.3. I already extracted. So this is the first. The second is Java. Java is a requirement, as you know. So what we are going to do, Java JDK 8 in 261 or 361, no problem, Windows x64. And again, if you go to this website, Java, as you can see, Oracle website, I will put the link down below as well. Then this is Windows 64, this is 166 megabytes, and JDK 8U261 Windows x64. This is what you need, but 361 also you can use. In my case, I download JDK 361. Okay, JDK 361. So what happens is, if you try to download it, it will take you to the link. You see, you must accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java. Then you have to agree, then you can download. Okay, it will take you to the next page. I'm not gonna do it because I already downloaded it, but it will take you to the page, and you have to have an account. For me, I have an account here, as you can see. Then you can sign in. When you sign in Oracle database, then directly the Java JDK will be start downloading here. Okay, just it will take a minute, but as you can see, JDK 261 window will be downloaded. So after you downloading, you're gonna I am assuming that you have Java in your system, but if you don't have Java in your system, you have to double click and continue. But one thing you have to take care here, what I want to show you is when you install Java, it will be downloaded, it will be installed in the program file. Okay, if you go program file, it will download it here. Okay, it will be installed here. But what I want you to do is, when you download it, open a folder named Java in the C directory. Okay, and install it here. After you install it here, you will have another file in the JDK 1.8 361 will be installed in the program file. Okay, in the program file, it will be another folder. So what I want you to do is just open the Java which is found in the program file, copy that JDK file and take it here in the Java file and paste it here. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise, maybe the Hadoop might not work. So take care. That is the point I want to point out about. So I will put the link down below. So by now you have downloaded Hadoop and Java. Okay, the next step is set up the path and environmental variable, Java home and Hadoop home. So we have to set up the environment variable. For this, what we are going to do, we are going to go to start and what we are going to do, just click on setting. Okay, setting. Then after setting, where we are going to go, system setting. As you can see, I put the steps here. Here, simply write what I'm going to write, environment. Okay, environment. See this one. Edit the system environment variables. Okay. Once you reach in the system property, go to environment variables. Okay. Then what we are going to do, the first thing we have to do at this point is we have to create this one. I already opened it, Java homes. But for you, what you are going to do is just click new. Okay, new, write Java homes. Then the variable value. Okay, the variable value will be Java JDK. This is the bin folder. Where is it? Let me take you see. This is the folder. Here, this is the Hadoop 3.3. So this is the bin folder. Just copy this. Okay, just copy this path and paste it here. Paste it here and say okay, then it will be okay. But before this, what you have to do, before this step, what you have to do, after you extract the Hadoop file, okay, wait. Okay, after you finish this Java installation and everything, okay, we are okay. So Java homes will be created like this, and in the Java JDK 8, okay, here we go here. As I told you, we have Java folder here. This is JDK. Okay, then bin folder. Yeah, this is the right path. Okay, Java JDK 1.80361 bin folder. Then you're gonna copy and you're gonna paste it, and this will be our Java homes. And the same thing is in the path Java homes. As you can see, you just click new. Okay, Java homes, edit. As you can see, program file and JDK. This is the variable value. Okay, just go to the so the same thing. This is the path. Okay, C Java. The path will be C Java JDK 261 B. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. This one, Java homes, edit. Okay. And this one also the same. Okay, B folder. Okay, after we did this, the variable, now the Java installation configuration is finished. Okay, the Java configuration finished. So let's check that our Java is working or not. So open your command prompt. Okay, let me open another CMD. Okay, command prompt. Then what we are going to write, Java C. Okay, just write Java C. If different option comes, then Java is working. As you can see, we have different options. Okay, and the other thing, if you want to see the version, Java version, you can write Java version. Okay. So as you can see, the Java version is 1.8.361 is installed in my system. So this is completed. Now let's go to installation of Hadoop. Okay, installation of Hadoop. What we are going to do, let me close this. Close this. So installation of Hadoop, extract the file. Again, go to this site. We have seen already. Yes. Go to this site, and you can click on binary, or if you need 3.30, you can go here 3.30 and download it and save it in your hard drive. So this is Hadoop. Okay. Then what you do, you just copy this file, and take it into C. Here in the directory C. Okay, as you see, just go here in the C directory, Hadoop. You see Hadoop 3.3. So you have to copy it here. This is the second step. Okay, that is the second step. So extract the file, copy the extract file and paste it in the C directory. Go to the inside of Hadoop. Now this is the most important thing. After you go to C driver, and here what we are going to do, we have to extract 5 files. Okay, core-site.xml, Hadoop env-cmd, hdfs-site.xml, MapReduce-site.xml, yarn-site.xml. These 5 scripts should be edited. So where we will find them? etc folder. Go here in etc folder, Hadoop. So let's select now these 5 files. core-site.xml, Hadoop. Let's see, Hadoop env-cmd, Hadoop, this one, and the sub hdfs-site.xml, and MapReduce, this one, MapReduce-site.xml, yarn-site.xml. Now we can open these 5 files with Sublime Text. Okay, Sublime Text, and all the files will be opened. As you can see, these are the files. So this is the scripts: Hadoop env-cmd, MapReduce-site.xml, hdfs-site.xml, yarn-site.xml, core-site.xml. These are the 5 scripts we have to edit. So for the editing purpose, don't worry, I will put the link again you can find in this directory. What we are going to do, let's start with, for example, core-site.xml. Where is core-site.xml? This one. In the core-site.xml, as you can see, configure property, we have to paste. In your case, this will be empty, okay? This will be empty, but I will put the link down below. You have to put this, okay, localhost 9000 and FS default name, HDFS will be configured like this. Again, the same thing is for the yarn, okay? The yarn also, this is a property and the configuration, this yarn node manager, this code will be, I'll put it in the link and you can download it, or I can show you now. You can go here, you see this is the site. This is the site I found, file edit for Hadoop. So each core site.xml, MapReduce site.xml, and hdfs-site.xml, and yarn-site.xml, this is the code, okay? Again, this one I will come in a minute, but that's how you're gonna do, okay? That's how we're gonna do. But for hdfs-site.xml, before we edit hdfs-site.xml, we have to go to our Java, and here you see you have to open a new folder called data, okay? In the Hadoop folder, you have to open a new data folder data, and inside the data you have to open DataNode and NameNode. This is very important, two files, okay? The DataNode and NameNode, and you have to take this address, DataNode and NameNode. Here you see the path is the same, because Hadoop 3.30 data NameNode and Hadoop 3.30 data DataNode. These are the two file paths, okay? Because it is the same, if you open it in the same C directory, this will be the data. So we need this, and again the script for this is in the hdfs-site, this one, hdfs-site, with hdfs-site, then you copy this and you will paste it there. Okay, then MapReduce also the same, okay? Just open, just copy and paste it here and save. Don't forget to save the file. And the last one, Hadoop in VCMD. What we need for this is we have to go to Java. This path should be, you have to go to the C directory here, okay? And this Hadoop, okay? And Java, and this directory, okay? This is the directory C Java JDK 180361. Will be copy this and paste it here, okay? Paste it here. This is the file. So after that, you just save the file and go out, okay? You can save the file and go out. These are the five things you have to do. After this, the last thing we have to do is Hadoop homes should be in the same here. We have to go here, and Hadoop home should be opened, okay? What you do is just simply click me. I already opened it here, but for you, you just click new Hadoop homes, and you have to Hadoop, the bin folder path will be written here, okay? This one, Hadoop 3.3 bin folder file here in the C. If you go here, we have Hadoop. Where is Hadoop? This is C, yes, Hadoop. This is the bin folder. This is the folder we need, okay? Hadoop 3.306 bin will be this one. Then once you finish this, you click OK. OK. Then this will be the path, and in the same way here, environment, edit environment variables, Hadoop forms. We have to go to the path. Okay, we have to go to the path and edit. We have to add two paths. Okay, me I already had added here Hadoop 3.3 bin and Hadoop 3.3 sbin files. These are, let me show you the directory. This one, Hadoop bin, this is the first we did. Okay, and the second one is this one, sbin. You just copy this one and come here, new, and paste it. Okay, then once you finish, once you add these two directions, it will be okay. Now we have to we have done most of the things. Now the last is I will show you in the bin folder. Here in the bin folder, me I already updated it, but for you in the Hadoop 3.36, look, I will put the link down below. So this, you have to download this file, and what you do after you download it, let me go here. After you download it, I think I put this configure file in the bin folder. What you do, you copy this bin file, go to C directory, go to your Hadoop, and this bin, you delete this one and paste the other one. Okay, then it will be okay. That is the step. And the last one, after you do that, this is the Hadoop. I will put this link down below. Now let's check. Once you finish this, you're gonna open CMD, run as an administrator. Now we already finished the Java, and we already finished so after you finish, for you have to use this command. Okay, hdfs NameNode format. Once you perform that, you will see the name will be formatted. For me, I will not do that, because once I do that, the NameNode and the DataNode will be changed. But for you, for the first time, you can't do that. Otherwise, you have to delete the NameNode and the DataNode files again, and you have to do. But once you do this, the address for the NameNode and the DataNode will be the same. Okay, for me, I already performed it, and the NameNode will be successful. After that, what I want you to do is just perform, for example, cd. Let's go to the Hadoop file. Okay, Hadoop 3.3.0. This is our folder. Sorry. Sorry, sir. CD. Once we are going to do CD, what I did add Hadoop .0. Okay, then CD sbin. Okay, now we are in the sbin folder. Okay, now what I want you to do, start DFS. Okay, we can start DFS. Oh, sorry. this one, save, and what we are going to do, start with this. Sorry. Hyphen, I forget hyphen. So, if once we run this command, the data node and the name node should be start producing. The data node and the name node, these two commands should come. Okay. If one of the data node or the name node terminate, that means the installation is not working. Okay. Okay, wait, give me. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see now, the Hadoop name node and the data node are working. Now after that, what we can do, go to here, as you can see, we can start now. Okay, we can start the yarn also. Okay, so I'll show you in a minute. Start. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, the yarn is also started. Node manager and resource manager. Okay, and total we have 4. The name node, the data node should work. Okay, the name node, the data node, and yarn, everything should work. And if you want to see the, process IDs, what we are going to do, okay, sorry. Okay, so what we are going to do to see the process IDs, let's say JPS. So this one, as you can see, we have the resource manager, we have the Java JPS, and we have the data node, the node manager, and the main node is given. So don't forget that all this should be listening. Okay, for of the website should be listening. Then if you go to any web page, and if you go to the web page, and if you see here localhost 9870, if you type localhost 9870, this will open the Hadoop. You see, this one is Hadoop 2020, and as you can see over here, localhost 9000, which is active. It's listening. You see, you can go ahead. And again, if you open localhost 8088, this is a Hadoop cluster. You can find localhost 8088 cluster. All applications are here, Hadoop. And as you can see, cluster metrics, AP, app submitted, scheduler metrics, and you can go ahead and see. So that means our Hadoop server is working, it's listening, and the localhost is 9870 and 8088 are working. But if you make any mistake in the installation period, especially in the paths and everything, the Hadoop server will not work. Okay, the Hadoop server will work, but still listening. So what we are going to do now, to stop what we do, stop DFS, So we can say stop hdfs. Then we can send the signal to stop the two processes in the process ID. And as you can see, success sent signal to the process with PID 9652 and PID 11864. And again, to stop the yarn, you simply type stop yarn. Again, as you can see, yarn is terminated in the PID, signal to the process all terminated. So that means our installation was successful. And now, congratulations, you have Hadoop and you have Java JDK. So that was it for now. If you face any problem in the installation, you can email me. I will help you as much as I can. And this is the course and everything. I will put the link down below and you can use it and enjoy using Hadoop, the big data analysis. Thank you so much. This is Engineer Silas. Okay, long time in producers. Bye.